All right. Yes. So today we are going to work on the to be forms present. To be forms present. In to be forms present, we have yesterday worked on the table of positive sentences, negative sentences, and yes no type questions. Okay, table of positive sentences, negative sentences, yes no type questions. We will repeat it just for a few minutes, and then we'll go for the next lesson. काल आपण टू बी फॉर्म्स प्रेझेंट पाहिलं होतं आणि त्या प्रेझेंट मध्ये आपण टेबल पाहिला होता. तो टेबल अजून एकदा आपण रिपीट करतोय म्हणजे तुमचं सर्वांचं चांगलं रिव्हिजन होऊन जाईल आणि त्यानंतर आपण नेक्स्ट लेसन घेतोय. ऑलराइट. So here is the table. Okay, fine. Right. Just repeat after me. Okay. I am a shopkeeper. Okay, Meenakshi ji repeat करा माझ्यानंतर. I am a shopkeeper.
I am a shopkeeper.
We are shopkeepers.
We are shopkeeper.
You are a shopkeeper.
You are a shopkeeper.
You are shopkeepers.
You are shopkeeper.
They are shopkeepers.
They are shopkeepers.
Ram and Sham are shopkeepers.
Am and Sham shopkeeper.
These are shopkeepers.
These are shopkeepers.
Those are shopkeepers.
Those are shopkeepers.
He is a shopkeeper.
He is shopkeeper.
She is a shopkeeper.
She is a shopkeeper.
Ram is a shopkeeper.
Ram is the shopkeeper.
This is a shopkeeper.
This is a shopkeeper.
That is a shopkeeper.
That is a shopkeeper.
Okay, Nandini, make the sentences next. I am not a shopkeeper. Make the sentences.
I am not a shopkeeper. We are not shopkeepers. You are a shopkeeper. You aren't a shopkeeper. You aren't a shopkeepers. They are not shopkeepers. Ram and Sham are not shopkeepers. These are not shopkeepers. Those are not shopkeepers. He is not shopkeeper. She is not a shopkeeper. Ram is not shopkeeper. This is not shopkeeper. That is not a shopkeeper.
Okay, Vijay, make the questions. Am I a shopkeeper? Quick.
Am I a shopkeeper? Are we shopkeepers? Are you a shopkeeper? Are you shopkeepers? Are they shopkeepers? Are Ram and Sham shopkeepers? Are these shopkeepers? Are those shopkeepers? Is he a shopkeeper? Is she a shopkeeper? Is Ram a shopkeeper? Is this a shopkeeper? Is that a shopkeeper?
Okay, Rutuja, make the questions. Aren't I a shopkeeper?
Aren't I a shopkeeper? Aren't we a shopkeeper? Aren't you a shopkeeper? Aren't you a shopkeeper? Aren't they shopkeeper? Aren't Ram and Sham shopkeeper? Aren't this shopkeeper? Aren't those shopkeeper? Isn't he shopkeeper? Isn't she shopkeeper? Isn't Ram shopkeeper? Isn't this shopkeeper? Isn't that shopkeeper?
Very good. Good job. Good job. All right. And everything is written here. So you can make a lot of questions with the help of this Marathi meanings also. आता आपण दुसरं पाहतोय की वस्तूंच्या सोबत किंवा प्लेसच्या सोबत कोणते प्रोनाउन्स वापरायचे. ओके, माझ्यानंतर बोलायचंय. मीनाक्षी माझ्यानंतर बोला. इट इज अ स्कूल. बोला.
It is a school.
दिस इज अ स्कूल.
This is a school.
दॅट इज अ स्कूल.
That is a school.
दे आर स्कूल्स.
They are a school.
दे आर स्कूल्स. अनेक वचन. दे
They
आर
are-
स्कूल्स.
They are school.
These are schools.
These are schools.
Those are schools.
Those are school.
अनेक वचन आहे. दे आर, दीज आर, दोज आर ला अनेक वचन वापरायचं आहे. म्हणजे ही शाळा आहे. दिस इज अ स्कूल, ही शाळा आहे. दॅट इज अ स्कूल, ती शाळा आहे. दे आर स्कूल्स म्हणजे त्या अनेक शाळा आहेत. दीज आर स्कूल्स म्हणजे ह्या अनेक शाळा आहेत. दोज आर स्कूल्स म्हणजे त्या अनेक शाळा आहेत. ओके, आता माझ्यानंतर बोला अनेकदा. आता निगेटिव्ह पण बोलायचं आहे. सर्वांनी बोलायचं आहे. ओके, इट इज नॉट अ स्कूल. बोला.
It is not a school.
दिस इज नॉट अ स्कूल.
This is not a school.
दॅट इज नॉट अ स्कूल.
That is not a school.
Okay, they are not schools.
They are not a school.
They are not schools. बोला.
They are not school.
These are not schools.
These are not schools.
Those are not schools.
Those are not schools.
Here, okay. आता क्वेश्चन्स बनवतोय आपण. इज इट अ स्कूल म्हणजे ही शाळा आहे का, असे प्रश्न बनवतोय आपण. इज इट अ स्कूल.
मला म्हणताय का सर?
हा, तुम्हीच बनवा. इज इट अ स्कूल.
Is it a school?
इज दिस अ स्कूल.
Is this a school?
इज दॅट अ स्कूल.
Is that a school?
आर दे स्कूल्स.
Are they schools?
आर दीज स्कूल्स.
Are these schools?
आर दोज स्कूल्स.
Are the schools?
म्हणजे इज इट अ स्कूल म्हणजे ही शाळा आहे का. इज दिस अ स्कूल म्हणजे ही शाळा आहे का. इज दॅट अ स्कूल म्हणजे ती शाळा आहे का. आर दे स्कूल्स म्हणजे त्या शाळा आहेत का. आर दीज स्कूल्स म्हणजे ह्या शाळा आहेत का. आर दो स्कूल्स म्हणजे त्या शाळा आहेत का. ओके, आता आणि माझ्यानंतर बोला. आता निगेटिव्ह क्वेश्चन्स. ओके, इजंट इट अ स्कूल. बोला.
Isn't a school?
इजंट दिस अ स्कूल.
Isn't this is school?
इजंट दॅट अ स्कूल.
Isn't that a school?
isn't aren't they schools.
Aren't they schools?
Aren't these schools.
Aren't these schools?
Aren't those schools.
Aren't those schools?
Okay, Nandini, so it is, this is, and that is, we are using first, we are using singular form, and they are, these are, and those are, we are using plural form.
Plural.
Okay, now make the sentences.
Okay.
It is a hospital. Start.
It is a hospital.
मीनाक्षी
This is
तुम्ही
a
पण बोलायचं
hospital.
जोरात, म्यूट मध्ये बोलायचं आहे. स्टार्ट नंदिनी जी.
It is a hospital. This is a hospital. That is a hospital. They are hospitals. These are hospitals. Those are hospitals. It isn't hospital. It is not a hospital. This is not a hospital. That is not a hospital. They are not hospitals. These are not hospitals. Those are not hospitals.
Correct.
It is a hospital. Is this a hospital?
Is it a hospital?
Sorry. Is it a hospital? Is this a hospital? Is that a hospital? Are they hospitals? Are these hospitals? Are those hospitals? Isn't it a hospital? Isn't this a hospital? Isn't that a hospital? Aren't they hospitals? Aren't these hospitals? Aren't those hospitals?
Correct. Very good. Now, Vijay,
Yes, sir.
isn't it a college?
Okay.
It is
Isn't-
a college. It is a college.
Oh.
Start from the first.
It is a college. This is a college. That is a college. They are colleges. बरोबर colleges, sir.
They are colleges. अनेक वचन आहे ना. They, these, those बरोबर अनेक वचन.
These are colleges. Those are colleges. It isn't a college. College. This isn't college. That isn't college. They aren't colleges. These aren't colleges. Those aren't colleges. Is it a college? Is this a college? Is that a college? Are they colleges? Are these colleges? Are those colleges?
Correct.
Isn't it a college? Isn't this a college? Isn't that a college? Aren't they colleges? Aren't these colleges? Aren't those colleges?
Correct. Very good. Now make the next. Yeah. Rutuja. It
Yes.
is a factory. Ha, bola.
It is a factory. This is a factory. That is a factory. They are factories. These are factories. Those are factories. It is not factory. This is not factory. That is not factory. They are not factories. These are not factories. Those are not factories. Is it factory? Is this factory? Is that factory? Are they factories? Are these factories? Are those factories? Isn't it factory? Isn't it this factory? Isn't that factory? Aren't they factories? Aren't these factories? Aren't those factories?
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Next. Yeah. Monica ji, make the sentences. It is a company. Monica Sapre. Okay. Monica, are you there? Okay. once again make the sentences. Meenakshi. Okay, Nandini ji, make the sentence. It is a supermarket. Yeah.
It is a supermarket. This is a supermarket. That is a supermarket. They are supermarkets. These are supermarkets. Those are supermarkets. It is not a supermarket. This is not a supermarket. That is not a supermarket. They are not supermarkets. These are not supermarkets. Those are not supermarkets. Is it a supermarket? Is this a supermarket? Is that supermarket? Are they supermarkets? Are these supermarkets? Are those supermarkets? Isn't it supermarket? Isn't this supermarket? Isn't that supermarket? Aren't they supermarkets? Aren't these supermarkets? Aren't those supermarkets?
Very good. Vijay. It is a library. Vijay Gaikwad. Okay, Rutuja. It is a library. Let's start.
It is a library. This is a library. That is a library. They are libraries. These are libraries. Those are libraries. It is not library. This is not library. That is not library. They are not libraries. These are not libraries. Those are not libraries. Is it library? Is this library? Is that library? Are they libraries? Are these libraries? Are those libraries? Isn't it library? Isn't this library? Isn't that library? Aren't they libraries? Aren't these libraries? Aren't those libraries?
Very good. Very good. Good job. Vijay. It is a bank. Vijay Gaikwad.
Ha sir. Yes sir.
It is a bank. Huh.
It is bank. Okay. It is a bank. This is a bank. That is a bank. They are banks. These are banks. Those are banks. It is not a bank. This is not a bank. That is not a bank. They are not banks. These are not banks. Those are not banks. Is it a bank? Is this a bank? Is that a bank? Are they banks? Are these banks? Are those banks? Is not it a bank?
Isn't it
Is
a
not-
bank?
Okay. Isn't this a bank? Isn't that a bank? Aren't they banks? Aren't these banks? Aren't those banks?
Very good. Good job. Now we are going to study the next to be forms past. We are going to work on to be forms past. So in the to be forms past, we use was, where and was. Was, where and was. म्हणजे आपल्याला फक्त वेगळं काहीही करायचं नाहीये. फक्त एम च्या ऐवजी वॉज वापरायचा आहे, आर च्या ऐवजी वर वापरायचा आहे आणि इज च्या ऐवजी वॉज वापरायचा आहे. ओके, एम च्या ऐवजी वॉज, आर च्या ऐवजी वर आणि इज च्या ऐवजी वॉज वापरायचा आहे. बाकी वेगळं काहीही करायचं नाहीये. माझ्यानंतर एकदा मराठी बोलायचं आहे. मीनाक्षी बोला माझ्यानंतर. आय वॉज अ शॉपकीपर.
I was a shopkeeper.
मी शॉपकीपर होतो.
He shopkeeper होतो.
वी वर शॉपकीपर्स.
He were shopkeeper.
आम्ही शॉपकीपर्स, आम्ही दुकानदार होतो.
आम्ही दुकानदार होतो.
यू वर अ शॉपकीपर.
You were a shopkeeper.
तू दुकानदार होतास.
तू दुकानदार होतास.
यू वर शॉपकीपर्स.
You were shopkeeper.
तुम्ही दुकानदार होता.
तुम्ही दुकानदार होता.
they were shopkeepers.
You were shopkeeper.
they were shopkeepers.
You were shopkeeper.
ते दुकानदार होते.
ही दुकानदार होते.
राम and श्याम were shopkeepers.
Ram and Shyam, you were shopkeeper.
राम and श्याम दुकानदार होते.
Ram and Shyam दुकानदार होते.
these were shopkeepers.
These were shopkeepers.
ऋतुजा, विजय, टर्न ऑन युअर व्हिडिओ. मला कसं कळणार तुम्ही शिकताय नाही शिकत, बोलताय नाही बोलत? मला तुमच्या तोंडातून कळेल तरी ना बोलताय की नाही ते. ओके, चेहरा घ्या मोबाईल मध्ये. थोडस खाली घ्या मोबाईल. मला दिसलं पाहिजे ना की तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करताय की नाही. ओके, हा बोला माझ्यानंतर. ही वॉज अ शॉपकीपर.
He was a shopkeeper.
तो दुकानदार होता.
तो दुकानदार होता.
ही वॉज अ शॉपकीपर.
He was a shopkeeper.
दुकानदार होती.
दुकानदार होती.
राम वॉज अ शॉपकीपर.
Ram was a shopkeeper.
राम दुकानदार होता. बोला. ओके, दिस वॉज अ शॉपकीपर. हा दुकानदार होता.
हा दुकानदार होता.
दॅट वॉज अ शॉपकीपर.
That was a shopkeeper.
तो दुकानदार होता.
तो दुकानदार होता.
इन दिस वे आता तुम्हाला अनेकदा माझ्यानंतर सर्वांनी बोलायचंय. क्विक क्विक. नंदिनी जस्ट रिपीट आफ्टर मी. आय वॉज अ प्लेयर.
I was a player.
आता मराठी मिनिंग का आलेलं आहे, मी मराठी मिनिंग सांगणार
Yes.
नाही. आय
Yes.
वॉज अ प्लेयर.
I was a player.
वी वर प्लेयर्स.
We were players.
मीनाक्षी बोलायचंय तुम्हाला. जर पिक्चर मध्ये आला तर बरं होईल मीनाक्षी.
असं.
आणि तुम्हाला बोलायचं आहे, म्हणजे म्यूट करून तुम्हाला बोलायचं आहे. पिक्चर मध्ये या. I just repeat after me, Nandini. I was a player.
I was a player.
We were players.
We were players.
You were a player.
You were a player.
You were players.
You were players.
They were players.
They were players.
Ram and Sham were players.
Ram and Sham were players.
These were players.
These were players.
Those were players.
Those were players.
He was a player.
He was a player.
He was a player.
She was a player.
Ram was a player.
Ram was a player.
This was a player.
This was a player.
That was a player.
That was a player.
Okay, make the sentences quick. I was a mechanic. Make the sentences. Nandini.
I was a mechanic. We were a mechanic. Mechanics
We
म्हणायचं
were
ना.
mechanics. Correct.
I was a mechanic. We were a mechanics. You were a mechanic. You were a mechanics. They were a mechanics. Ram and Sham were mechanics. These were mechanics. Those were mechanics. He was a mechanic. She was a mechanic. Ram was a mechanic. This was a mechanic. That was a mechanic. Mechanic.
Very good. Good job. Make next. I was not a mechanic.
Okay. I was not mechanic. We were not a mechanics. You were not a mechanic. You were not a mechanics. They were not a mechanics. Ram and Sham were not a mechanics. These were not a mechanics. Those were
These
not a mechanics.
These were not mechanics.
These were not mechanics.
Not mechanics.
Not mechanics. He was not mechanics. She
He
was
was-
not mechanic.
No, this is singular, He
Yes,
was
yes,
not a mechanic.
Okay. He was not here. He was not a mechanic. She was not mechanic. Ram was not mechanic. This was not mechanic. That was not mechanic. Was I mechanic? We were mechanics. Were you mechanic?
Were we mechanics?
Were
were
we
we
mechanic?
Correct.
Were we mechanics? Were you mechanic? Were you
a
mechanics?
mechanic?
Yes.
Similar it is. Were you a mechanic? And second is were you mechanics? सेम
Yes, sir.
जसं प्रेझेंट मध्ये होतं तसंच पास्ट मध्ये आहे. फक्त एम च्या ऐवजी वॉज घेतलेला आहे, आर च्या ऐवजी वर घेतलेला आहे. बस एवढंच अंतर आहे, बाकी काही अंतर नाही.
Okay, sir. Was I mechanic? Were we mechanics? Were you a mechanic? Were you mechanics? Were they mechanics? Were Ram and Sham mechanics? Were these mechanics? Were those boys? Sir, boys are like the
No
mechanics.
problem.
Okay.
Correct.
Were those boys mechanics? Was he a mechanics? Was she a mechanics? Was Ram a mechanics? Was this a mechanic? Was that a mechanic?
Correct. Very good. Good job.
Wasn't I mechanic? Weren't we mechanics? Weren't you mechanic? Weren't you mechanics? Weren't they mechanics? Weren't Ram and Sham mechanics? Weren't these mechanics? Weren't those mechanics? Wasn't he a mechanic? Wasn't she a mechanic? Wasn't Ram a mechanic? Wasn't this a mechanic?
Correct. Wasn't that a mechanic?
Wasn't that a mechanic?
Okay, very good. Now, Rutuja, make the question, make the sentences. I was a doctor. Start.
I was a doctor. We were doctors. You were a doctor. you were doctors. They were doctors. Ram and Sham were doctors. These were doctors. Those were doctors. He was a doctor. She was a doctor. Ram was a doctor. This was a doctor. That was a doctor. I was not a doctor. We were not doctors. You were not doctor. You were not doctor. They were not doctors. Ram and Sham were not doctors. This were not doctors. Those were not doctors. He was not doctor. She was not doctor. Ram was not a doctor. This was not a doctor. That was not a doctor. Was I doctor? Were we doctors? Were you doctors? Were you doctors? Were they doctors? Were Ram and Sham doctors? Were these doctors? Were those doctors? Was he a doctor? Was he a doctor? Was Ram a doctor? Was this doctor? Was that doctor? Wasn't I a doctor? Wasn't I doctor?
Correct. Hmm. Weren't we doctors?
Weren't we doctors? Weren't you doctors? Weren't you doctors? Weren't they doctors? Weren't Ram and Sham doctors? Weren't these doctors? Weren't the doctors? Wasn't he a doctor? Wasn't she a doctor? Wasn't Ram doctor? Wasn't this doctor? Wasn't that a doctor?
Correct. Very good. Vijay Gaikwad, make the
Sir.
sentences. I was a player. I was a monitor. Hmm.
I was a monitor. We are monitors. You
Our
are
monitors.
oh, you were a monitor. You were monitors. They were monitors. Ram and Sham were monitors. These were monitors. Those were monitors. She was a monitor. She was a monitor. Ram was a monitor. This was a monitor. That was a monitor. I was not a monitor. We were not monitors. You were not a monitor. You were not monitors. They were not monitors. Ram and Sham were not monitors. These were not monitors. Those were not monitors. She was not a monitor. She was not a monitor. Ram was not a monitor. This was not a monitor. That was not a monitor. Was I monitor? Were we monitors? Were you a monitor? Were you monitors? Were they monitors? Were Ram and Sham monitors? Were these monitors? Were those boys monitors? Was he a monitor? Was she a monitor? Was Ram a monitor? Was this a monitor? Was that a monitor? Wasn't I a monitor? Weren't we monitors? Weren't you a monitor? Weren't you monitors? Weren't they monitors? Weren't Ram and Sham monitors? Weren't these monitors? Weren't those monitors? Wasn't he a monitor? Wasn't she a monitor? Wasn't Ram a monitor? Wasn't this a monitor? Wasn't that a monitor?
Okay. Monica, are you there?
I'm there.
Ah, yes. Make the sentences. Make the sentences. I was a player. Hmm.
I was a player. We were players. You were a player. You were players. They were players. Ram and Sita were players. These were players. Those were players. He was a player. She was a player. Ram was a player. This was a player. That was a player. I wasn't a player. We weren't players. We weren't players.
Correct.
You weren't a player. You weren't players. You weren't a player. You weren't a player. You weren't players. They weren't players. Ram and Sita weren't players. These weren't players. Those weren't players. He wasn't player. a player. She wasn't a player. Ram wasn't a player. This wasn't a player. That wasn't a player. Was I a player? Were we players? Were you a player? Were you players? Were they players? Were Ram and Sita players? Were these players? Were those players? Was he a player? Was she a player? Was Ram a player? Was this a player? Was that a player? Wasn't I a player? Weren't we players? Weren't you a player? Weren't you players? Weren't they players? Weren't Ram and Sita players? Weren't these players? Weren't those players? Wasn't he a player? She a player? Wasn't Ram a player? Wasn't this player? Was that a player?
Very good. Meenakshi ji. Meenakshi. हॅलो.
हा
मीनाक्षी.
सर.
माझ्यानंतर बोलायचंय थोडस अजून एकदा. आय सर्वांनी बोलायचं माझ्यानंतर. ओके, क्विक मध्ये बोलायचंय, क्विक मध्ये. ओके. आय वॉज अ मॅनेजर.
I was a manager.
वी वर मॅनेजर्स.
We were manager.
Try to concentrate on where I am using singular and where I am using plural form. Okay. You were a manager.
You were a manager.
You were managers.
You were managers.
They were managers.
They were managers.
Ram and Shyam were managers.
Ram and Shyam were managers.
These were shopkeepers.
These were shopkeepers.
Those were shopkeepers.
Those were shopkeepers.
He was a shopkeeper.
He was a shopkeeper.
He was a shopkeeper.
He was a shopkeeper.
Ram was a shopkeeper.
Ram was a shopkeeper.
This was a shopkeeper.
This was a shopkeeper.
That was a shopkeeper.
That was a shopkeeper.
I wasn't a singer.
I wasn't a singer.
We weren't singers.
We weren't singers.
You weren't a singer.
We weren't a singer.
You weren't singers.
You weren't a singer.
They weren't singers.
You weren't a singer.
Ram and Shyam weren't singers.
Ram and Shyam weren't a singer.
He wasn't a singer.
This weren't a singer.
He wasn't a singer.
His weren't a singer.
He wasn't a singer.
His weren't a singer.
Ram wasn't a singer. Bola.
Ram wasn't a singer.
This wasn't a singer.
This wasn't a singer.
That wasn't a singer.
That wasn't a singer.
Was I a teacher?
Was I a teacher?
Were we teachers?
Were we teacher?
Were you a teacher?
Were you teacher?
Were you teachers?
Were you teachers?
Were they teachers?
Were they teachers?
Were Ram and Shyam teachers?
Were Ram and Shyam teachers?
Was he a teacher?
Was the teacher?
Was he a teacher?
Was he a teacher?
Was she a teacher?
Was she a teacher?
Was this a teacher?
Was this a teacher?
Was that a teacher?
Was that a teacher?
Was Ram a teacher?
Was Ram a teacher?
Wasn't I a player? Bola sarvani.
Wasn't I player?
Weren't we players?
Weren't we players?
Weren't you a player?
Weren't you a player?
Weren't you players?
Weren't you player?
Weren't they players?
Weren't they players?
Weren't Ram and Shyam players?
Weren't Ram and Shyam players?
Wasn't he a player?
Wasn't he a player?
Wasn't she a player?
Wasn't she a player?
Wasn't Ram a player?
Wasn't Ram a player?
Got it? Was I? आता आपण नेक्स्ट घेतोय वस्तूमध्ये कसं वापरायचं आहे. ओके, वस्तूमध्ये. ऑलराइट, सो जस्ट रिपीट आफ्टर मी. सेम अगोदर इथच्या ऐवजी इथं वाज घेतोय आणि तिकडे आर होतं त्याच्याऐवजी वर घेतोय. बाकीचं सिंग्युलर प्लुरल सेम आहे. इट, दिस आणि दॅट बरोबर सिंग्युलर वापरतोय आणि दे, दीज आणि दोज बरोबर प्लुरल वापरतोय आपण. ओके, मीनाक्षी माझ्यानंतर बोलायचं आहे. इट वॉज अ वॉलेट. बोला. Meenakshi. Okay, Meenakshi.
हाँ सर.
बोला my answer. It was a wallet.
It was a wallet.
This was a wallet.
This was a wallet.
That was a wallet.
That was a wallet.
They were wallets.
They were wallets.
These were wallets.
These were wallets.
Those were wallets.
Those were wallets.
It wasn't a factory.
It wasn't a factory.
This wasn't a factory.
This wasn't a factory.
That wasn't a factory.
That wasn't a factory.
They were not factories.
They were not a factories.
These were not factories.
These were not factories.
Those were not factories.
Those were not factories.
Was it a factory?
Was it a factory?
Was this a factory?
Was this a factory?
Was that a factory?
Was that factory?
Were they factories?
Were they factories?
Were these factories?
Were these factories?
Were those factories?
Were those factories?
Wasn't it a company?
Wasn't it a company?
Wasn't this a company?
Wasn't this his company?
Wasn't that a company?
Wasn't that a company?
Weren't they companies?
Weren't they companies?
Weren't these companies?
Weren't these companies?
Weren't those companies?
Weren't those companies?
But it, yeah. Monica, make the sentences. Was it a supermarket? Start.
It was a supermarket. This was a supermarket. That was a supermarket. They were supermarkets. These were supermarkets. Those were supermarkets. It wasn't a supermarket. This wasn't a supermarket. That wasn't a supermarket. They weren't supermarkets. These weren't supermarkets. Those weren't supermarkets. Was it a supermarket? Was this a supermarket? Was that a supermarket? Were they supermarkets? Were these supermarkets? Were those supermarkets? Wasn't it a supermarket? Wasn't this a supermarket? Wasn't that a supermarket? Weren't they supermarkets? Weren't these supermarkets? Weren't those supermarkets?
Correct. Next. Yeah, Nandini.
Yes, sir.
It was a certificate.
It was a certificate. This was a certificate. That was a certificate. They were certificates. These were certificates. Those were certificates. It wasn't certificate. This wasn't certificate. That wasn't certificate. They weren't certificates. These weren't certificates. Those weren't certificates. Was it a certificate? Was this certificate? Was that certificate? Were they certificates? Were these certificates? Were those certificates? Wasn't it certificate? Wasn't this certificate? Wasn't that certificate? Weren't they certificates? Weren't these certificates? Weren't those certificates?
Okay, one. Vijay. It
Yes, sir.
was a bedroom.
काय sir?
It was a bedroom.
Okay. It was a bedroom. This was a bedroom. That was a bedroom. They were bedrooms. These were bedrooms. Those were bedrooms. It wasn't a bedroom. This wasn't a bedroom. That wasn't a bedroom. They weren't bedrooms. These weren't bedrooms. Those weren't bedrooms. Was it a bedroom? Was this a bedroom? Was that a bedroom? Were they bedrooms? Were these bedrooms? Were those bedrooms? Wasn't it a bedroom? Wasn't this a bedroom? Wasn't that a bedroom? Weren't they bedrooms? Weren't these bedrooms? Weren't those bedrooms?
Very good. Yeah. Rutuja.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It was a mobile. Start.
It was a mobile. This was a mobile. That was a mobile. They were mobiles. These were mobiles. Those were mobiles. It wasn't mobile. It wasn't a mobile. This wasn't a mobile. That wasn't a mobile. They weren't mobiles. These weren't mobiles. Those weren't mobiles. Was it mobile? Or was it a mobile? Was this a mobile? Was that a mobile? Were they mobiles? Were these mobiles? Were those mobiles? Wasn't it a mobile? Wasn't this a mobile? Wasn't that a mobile? Weren't they mobiles? Weren't these mobiles? Weren't those mobiles?
Okay, very good. मीनाक्षी,
Yes, sir.
तुम्ही बनवू शकता? आज फर्स्ट डे तुमचं, त्यामुळे विचारतोय. बनवू
Try
शकता?
करा please.
हा, ट्राय करा. हा, इट वॉज अ लॅपटॉप. बोला.
It was a laptop. This is a
दिस
this
वॉज
was
लिहिले पहा तिथं, पहिला कॉलम आहे.
This-
इट वॉज,
this
दिस वॉज.
was this was a laptop. That was laptop. They were laptop. This is where laptop. Those were laptops. It was a laptop.
It was
This
not a
one-
laptop.
This one the laptop. That was its laptop. They weren't a laptop. This weren't a laptop. Those weren't a laptop. Was it a laptop? Was this a laptop? Was that a laptop? Were they laptop? Were these laptops? Were those laptops? When it is
Wasn't it a
laptop.
laptop? Wasn't it a laptop?
wasn't it a laptop? Wasn't I this laptops? Wasn't I that laptops? Weren't it they laptops? Weren't
These laptops.
weren't these laptops? Weren't I those a laptop?
Very good. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Nandini, again. It was a company.
It was a company. This was a company. That was a company. They were companies. These were companies. Those were companies. It wasn't a company. This wasn't a company. That wasn't a company. They weren't companies. These weren't companies. Those weren't companies. Was it company? Was this company? Was that company? Were they companies? Were these companies? Were those companies? Wasn't it company? Wasn't this a company? Wasn't that a company? Weren't they companies? Weren't those companies? Weren't these companies?
Okay, Rutuja. It was a shop.
It was a shop. This was a shop. That was a shop. They were shops. These were shops. Those were shops. It wasn't a shop. This wasn't a shop. That wasn't a shop. They weren't shops. These weren't shops. Those weren't shops. Was it shop? Was it a shop? Was this a shop? Was that a shop? Were they shops? Were these shops? Were those shops? Wasn't it a shop? Wasn't this a shop? Wasn't that a shop? Weren't they shops? Weren't these shops? Weren't those shops?
Very good. Vijay Gaikwad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It was a nursery school.
Okay. It was a nursery school. This was a nursery school. That was a nursery school. They were nursery schools. These were nursery schools. Those were nursery schools. It wasn't a nursery school. This wasn't a nursery school. That wasn't a nursery school. They weren't nursery schools. These weren't nursery schools. Those weren't nursery schools. Was it a nursery school? Was this a nursery school? Was that nursery school? Were they nursery schools? Were these nursery schools? Were those nursery schools? Wasn't it a nursery school? Wasn't this a nursery school? Wasn't that a nursery school? Weren't they nursery schools? Weren't these nursery schools? Weren't those nursery schools?
Very good. Good job. Okay. In this way, today we talked about past, to be forms past. Today we talked about to be forms past. All right. Has everybody understood it? Nandini,
Yes,
you
sir.
got it? Okay. समजलं का? काय
Yes,
doubts
sir.
तुम्हाला? विचारा मला काय doubts असतील तर.
No, sir, no doubts.
Okay. No doubts.
Yes.
I think everything we have practiced also and we have come to know also. All right.
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying?
Yes, I'm enjoying.
sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir,
Yes.
I cheerful.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Tomorrow we'll see about to be forms future. To be forms
Okay, sir.
future. Okay.
sir.